Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a 3-part shopping haul for you. Because neither of them are particularly huge, I thought I'd just link all three together. So I have been to Poundland, I have been to Superdrug, and I have been to Flying Tiger. So I'm just going to show you what I've got. Okay, first things first. I picked up the zip seal, you know, like the food and freezer bags. There's 18 in here of the large ones. We use these quite a lot, and they're not for you. No, they're not. So yeah, I got those because I like to keep stocked up with these. Picked up this is the banana conditioner and the banana shampoo. Now I've been using the other one, the ginger one, and that I absolutely love because they're like sulfate free and everything. And I love the other one. I haven't actually smelt this one yet, so I'm going to give it a little smell. But I know a lot of people have used this one. Smells like, it does smell like, it actually does smell like banana, but I'll tell you what it smells like. Those banana foamy sweets that you can get. They're a bit sort of, they feel a bit foamy, don't they? But they're shaped like a banana. That's what this smells like. So I've got those two. Got some more Windoline, because with having dogs we've forever got wet noses on our French doors and our windows, and with having a young grandchild, Lennox, we're also having fingers everywhere, on the telly, on the mirrors, and he's at the age where he can reach everything. So yeah, every now and then we see another Len handprint, so I needed to get some of this. Picked up another 2 of these. I really love these, and I think they're such good value for £1. I mean, how real do they look? They really are realistic, aren't they? And just the lovely little pot, it looks like stone, doesn't it? And for £1 I think they're really lovely. I haven't decided where I'm going to put them yet, but I like them. I picked up this. The reason I've got this is because upstairs in my little dressing room I've got lots of like sample sizes of toiletries and face creams, etc. Teddy. And you know, I sort of chuck them into a basket and don't really know what I've got in there, and I thought if I put them in here I can clearly see exactly what I've got. So that's what this is for. And I picked up 2 pairs of large scissors just for around the house, you know, for cutting, wrapping paper, all the rest of it, just bits and bobs. I picked up a blue pair and a black pair. Then I picked up a pair of kitchen scissors. This is what the kitchen scissors look like. I thought they look really, really nice. And then it's got like this little bit here in the middle that I think is for bottle openers or opening a screw cap or something. Not quite sure, but picked up those as well. And then I picked up these for the dogs. So these are the Markies, the pedigree ones. They like these a lot, don't you? Don't you? Look at the face on it. And picked up these, the gravy. Yes, what are they? Gravy bones. He knows what they are. And that's everything that I actually got from Poundland. And then I went to Flying Tiger and picked up these. These look really interesting. And they're apple chips. So it's dried apples. I'm going to give these a go. Okay. You know, sometimes when you think they're not going to look like the actual item that they are supposed to be, well, it actually does, look. There's moreish. And then I picked up 2 of these. These are little notebooks from me and Chris. You know, I'm a sucker for a notebook. And actually, he's getting as bad as me. But I saw these. These were £2. And I just thought they were really good because they've got, so it's got this on the front. So it's don't bug me. There you go. And then inside, it's like this. And they were £2, and I just thought they were blooming, you know, real bargain. Nice little find, because you've got your notebook. It's got quite a lot there on your notebook. Comes with its own pen. And then you've got all your little sticky notes here, your really little notelet things to make, you know, make notes on. So, one each for us. There you go, £2 each. Thought they were really good. And then, I don't know if you've been into Flying Tiger, but they do these. Now these are often by the till, and this was £3. They had various different price ones. They had some that were for children, some that were for like adults. This says for teens and adults, and you have absolutely no idea. Even if you look in there, you can't see what's in there. So, I'm going to open it and see what it says. It does actually say on the back, may contain nuts, allergens, so be mindful of that. So I'm going to just open it up. I've often been tempted by these and you know, just haven't picked one up before. Today was the day. Okay. Okay, so let's take the first item out. I've no idea what this is. A shopping bag. Oh, that's alright, isn't it? And it's a zipper one. So that's a nice size. I actually think that's a really nice size bag.
Chiller bag, eh?
Yeah, that's really nice. What else is in here? Pom-poms. Okay, oh alright, okay, so I can use this for crafting. Right, so I'm going to show you exactly, that's what they look like. It's got like a diagram of how you use them. That'd be quite nice for like card making, crafting. Oh, this is nice. It's a paper garland and it's a heart garland. So that's what it looks like. That's the size of the heart, quite big. That's what it looks like. And that will look really cute actually, I think in my dressing room, something like that. It looks quite nice. Or keep it for Valentine's. It says you are loved. Your little box here, and then you literally open the box and you've got a nice little gift box. That'd be nice, giving somebody a present at Christmas or something, popping it in there. So that's quite pretty. So it's a stamp anyway, and it says I love you, and it's got the hearts and everything there. And then you've got like the stamp here on the bottom and here. Yeah, I think that's quite good for £3. So you've got your garland, you've got your stamp set, you've got pom-poms, and you've got your gift box and your bag, and that's all for £3. I thought that was really good. Oh, actually I got this bag in Poundland as well. How cute is this? When life gives you pineapples, make a pina colada. As soon as I read that, that was it. I had that song. You know that song? Pina colada. And then I went into Superdrug and picked up these. I have had this one before and I quite like it. And to be honest, I was looking for the ones that were on offer. First of all, I picked up the pure one, which is, I think is Superdrug's own. I've used that one before. That was buy one get one free, and that was $4.99. So I had that in my basket to start with. And then I saw this one for $2.99, and I've used this one before as well. So I thought, oh, I'll get this one. So this is the one. It's got the it's infused with the oil, this one, and it takes off like with your waterproof mascara and stuff like that. So I have used this one, and it was $2.99. Obviously you need to give it a good old shake before you use it. Then I picked up this, haven't seen this one, I think this is quite new, and it's the Shore Maximum Protection Deodorant Stick. It says it's a 48-hour protection, and this is in long-lasting fragrance of fresh apple, hints of rose and jasmine. But there was probably, I think, about maybe 6 different fragrances. So take off the little label, the foil bit that was on the top, take that off. And then what you do is you wind it up like this. So then you just wind this up, and look, you can see it's starting to come out like that. And then the idea is you just wipe it under your arms. Oh my god, it smells lovely. I think it was $4.99. It wasn't cheap, but you're not going to waste any either. So yeah, give this one a go. Then I picked up this. I just thought this was beautiful. This is by Revolution. It's called Vintage Lace Intense Metallic Cream Powder Highlighter. Okay, so this is it open. Look how pretty that is. It's so beautiful. They're the colours. Aren't they lovely? So pretty. Then I bought these. The Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit, and this is the metallic lip kit. And so this one, the matte one, is in Grande. So pretty. Look at that. How beautiful is that colour? This one here is the metallic one. It looks really pretty as well. And this is what I've done with the little fishbowl. Is I've put some of, as I said, some of the samples in there. So I've got lots of decor bits and bobs in here, but now I can actually see what I've got rather than having them closed away in another little box. And I've just popped these little plants on the fireplace. If you can hear the noise, I've got the fan on in here. But yeah, I've just popped them, just add a little bit green on the fireplace.
And I tried to block those feelings off. What did I do? In the middle of sex, then it all came back. When I thought that everything was lost.